Hello everybody and welcome to the unboxing of the Xbox. This is the Xbox Series X. That's the 1TB SSD version. So this is, I guess it's the best out there. I don't know if there are other options, but this is what I got anyway, the 1TB version. Yeah, if you all remember, I had the, I got the PlayStation, I unboxed it and I thought, I like this console, but gosh, it's so huge. And there's a lot of demand for it out there. So I'm not really a PlayStation person because my ecosystem is built around Microsoft's Xbox and I have a lot of games already, got my loyalty program going on. So I thought to myself, rather than setting up a new account, I might as well get this console and yeah, give it a shout, or give it a try rather. Now, yep, my unboxing knife, which is this broken knife that's been through life, is what I've been using from the very start of my unboxing video. So yeah, so shout out to the knife as well. Yeah, so should we do this? I got this a while ago, but I just haven't had time to do the unboxing. So here we go. Actually, you can actually just peel out the plastic, so I don't need the knife. Sorry, knife. There we go. So there's 1, 2, I think there's 4 of these across the box itself, and there's the last one here. There we go. So shout out to Junebug. They always get me whatever I want. So I did make the request for this and boom, in less than, well, pretty quickly actually, I got the console in less than 24 hours really. So voila. Wow, that's quite slick, guys. Look at how he opens up. I'll sort of do it again. Take 2. Oh, now it's not closing. Oh, there you go. Voila. Pretty decent looking case. Although, guys, this is also big and it's not going to fit behind my TV. We got a problem. Anyway, so, oh no, it's heavy as well. Okay, it's actually heavy. Wow, why are these consoles so heavy these days? Although I must say I like the form factor. It comes with this card. Shows you the remote control here, where you put the batteries in, using the app, and a few other gizmos around. Okay, I'll keep that in here for now. There's another place here where you have a cable, the HDMI cable. This is the ultra high speed, the whole 4K thing. Instruction booklet, this product and regulatory guide. And that ends finished. Then we bring this out. Don't know what this is. And boom. You get the new controller. So apparently this is the new controller. It's sort of got this rough texture on the grip here. And that's the thingy button. It's USB Type-C, by the way, guys. That's impressive. What else? So let me keep this down here. And that's everything. So guys, this is what, okay, there's batteries in here as well. 2 AA batteries. I have rechargeable batteries because I've got the old Xbox. What I'll do is I'll quickly show you what the remote looks like actually. Oh no, you know what, maybe we'll do that in another video if we get lots of demand for it. Yeah, so I'll take this down now. I'll leave this out because we might want to have a look at it. Put this there. Pop this down. Oh, by the way, this is the PlayStation here. I still have it, but you know what? I'm not going to use this. Xbox heavy. I thought this was heavy. This is, I think, heavy actually. Okay, so for the unboxing, it's actually quite. It's like a PC, So it says here, power your dream. Power your dreams. Okay. And then we got sort of sticky stuff here. Pull that out. And then here as well. That was my phone. That was an aggressive vibration actually. Okay. And boom. So I'll spin this around, unwrapping it, and voila. This is the Xbox. Okay, it's the other way around. There you go. And I think that thing spins. No, it doesn't spin. But yeah, this is the stand for the Xbox. You've got little fits here. So you can literally put it like this, or you can put it like this. And if you look in there, you'd see the whole green thing. Can you see while I sort of move it around? Pretty cool, right? It looks like it's powered on already. At the back, you've got here two USB super fast ones, Ethernet cable, a storage expansion, HDMI out on the power outlet. I'm surprised there's no SD card. Well, I hope it's internally got a terabyte already, and if I need to, I'll buy an extra card. Here there's some sort of vent type thing. This is where you put in the CDs. You got the Xbox. Now the thing is, it's built for this way because the Xbox logo doesn't rotate, so, and I'm guessing that's the power button. This is the pairing button. You also have an extra USB port there, CD drive, and that's about it, guys. So this is the new Xbox Series X. Beautiful console. I prefer it to the PlayStation, to be quite frank with you guys. But yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you have any comments, questions. If you want to see me put the PlayStation 5 next to this, let me know, and I might just do it for you guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, share. Let me know what your thoughts are, and yeah, we get back to it. Peace out, stay blessed, stay safe.